Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you one of the legit apps that you can actually use to invest, save your money. It's super simple using your mobile phone. Okay, so if you have been watching my previous videos, I show you legit app that you can actually use to invest into US stock market, the Hong Kong stock market and the Chinese stock market. All right, so this is super simple. So we're gonna consider this app, and the name of the app is the Achieve by Petra. So this app is the Achieve by Petra. I've done a lot of videos on this particular app. Go and watch that. You can actually use this app to invest. So I'm gonna enter my pin. All right. So this is the homepage of the Achieve investment app. So far, I've been using this particular app for a lot of things. So guys, what you need to do is to click flexible investment over here, and as you can see, it comes with DigiSave, Eurobond, enhanced equity beta fund, that's the global tech, and this is a new feature to the plus balance fund. Okay, so first thing, you can actually consider saving through the DigiSave, and you can see this is a low risk fund primarily invested in treasury bills and bonds, perfect for short term goals, and the best advice is to invest for 3 to 12 months. All right, just come here and rate things yourself. Then you can also use the same Achieve investment by Petra to invest into Eurobond trust. All right, so this is the Eurobond trust too. So the Eurobond is a moderate risk fund fully invested in US dollar denominated Eurobonds, and this one too is perfect for medium term goals. The ideal, the best advice is to invest for 2 to 3 years. All right, so if you are interested, just come here and you can actually get this. I'll put the link to this particular app in the description box. Make sure you click on the same link so that you will not be scammed or taken by any fraudster. So click on the link that I'll provide in the description box. Then this is a new feature to enhance equity beta fund, where you can actually invest into global tech. This is a high risk fund primarily invested in global equities with a focus on technology. So if you want to invest into Apple, Google, Netflix, think of any of the giant companies in the world, you can actually use this particular section, and this is perfect for long-term goals, 3 years plus. All right, and this is the plus balance fund, where you can actually invest in balanced growth, and this is a moderate risk fund invested in a diverse portfolio of bonds, equities, real estate investment trust. That's the rate. All right, so if you want to invest into real estate without owning physical property, the best thing is to invest into REITs. I have a video taking you through step by step, so go to my channel and watch that. And guys, just come here and read all these things yourself. So let's say you want to start with the DigiSave. All you need to do is to click on that, then click continue with DigiSave. It applies to all of them over here. Right, so we're gonna wait for it to load. They're gonna ask you investment journey. Do you have an investment target? If you have a target, let's say you want to save 10,000 Ghana cedis, you can actually click yes, I have a target and date for a goal. Over here, you're gonna set a target, the amount that you want to achieve, and also the date. And guys, what you need to put in your mind is that this particular one, they're gonna lock your money. So if you can't put your money till you reach the goal, then this is not the best option. So if you just want to save, just click no, I just want to start investing, and hit proceed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, give the video a like. This is for Android, and you can actually do the same thing using the iOS or the Apple. So over here, you can actually name your account. It can be your future plan, it can be your house plan, any name. So I'm gonna call it future moves. All right, then we're gonna hit this icon over here, and we're gonna head over to the next page. And as you can see, Now that your investment account is ready, how about you make a first deposit? So over here they are telling you to invest your first 20 Ghana cedis, and if you are having money in your Momo account, you can actually hit continue. All right, so I'm gonna hit not now, and I'm going to show you how you can actually top up. You can see this, the future. Over here you have the total top up, the total earn. So you're gonna earn some interest on your money. So instead of you putting your money in your Momo account or just putting it at the bank, you can actually put it here and you'll be earning from treasury bills, other stuffs. So to top up, what you need to do is to click top up over here. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Then this is gonna open the top up menu for you. All you need to do is to enter the amount that you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit 100 Ghana cedis. After that, hit confirm and make sure you read this particular note over here. The charges below will apply. All right, so if you are cool with that, hit confirm amount, and over here you have to choose the payment method. We have mobile money, credit or debit card, and bank transfer. All right, this is super simple. I mostly use the mobile money, and most Ghanaians are having the mobile money. So over here just pick the number that you wanna make them debit or take that amount from. So I'm going to choose, or you can even click on the plus button here and add any number. So I'm going to select my Momo number, hit continue, and guys, hit continue again. And as you can see, processing, so they're going to give you notification on that mobile money number. And if you have the money, you can proceed, enter your payment details, and they're gonna confirm that for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, watch my previous videos. Now that you know this, I want you to watch the next video to know how to invest into the US stock market, the Hong Kong stock market, and the Chinese stock market, just using your phone legit way. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.